All right, guys, today is the day. The waffle for Liam Nissan is live. So like we said in the last video, this is going to be entirely managed on Facebook. So you should be able to navigate regardless of whether you have a Facebook account or not. You should be able to navigate to one of the two links that are in the description. Those two links, one is Crabtree's personal page where he's gonna create a post. The second one is on the Hood to Hood page, which is a local page for the people nearby. You should be able to access one of those two. Comment in there what spots you want. You can have more than one spot. You can have as many spots as you want, honestly, as long as they're available. So one person can win multiple times if they have multiple spots, but not with the same spot. This is just for spots. You don't have to worry about payment just yet. Once we get to the point where the list is almost full, I'll post up another video saying that we're ready to start payment stuff going. Same thing will happen on Facebook. Crabtree will make sure that everybody is aware, gets tagged, makes another post, letting everybody know that we're ready to start actually taking money. At that point, we'll make sure to have all of the payment information available to you. Same thing in that video, I'll make sure that that information is available in the description. But for now, it's just those two pages. Claim your spots. You know, hopefully it fills pretty quick, so be sure to get in there and as soon as possible. For the people that do not have Facebook, there's only a couple of you, so I don't need a bunch of people commenting in here about their spots. If you have Facebook, go to Facebook and do it there. For the few people that don't have any social media, comment in here, I'll make sure that they get added in there. It's gonna take a little bit of time for Crabtree to update the list, so if you pick a spot and you see that it's open in there, there's going to be maybe a scenario or two where you pick a spot that just hasn't been updated that somebody else has picked already. So work with us. We'll notify you if you need to repick spots, and we'll go from there. Other than that, yeah, it'd be pretty straightforward. We talked about it in the last video. First roll is for 700, second roll is for 1300, and the third roll is the truck. So good luck, everybody. You know, this is gonna be kind of bittersweet for me. Also, one more thing, I know we mentioned it in the last video, but the winner is going to be completely responsible for coming to pick him up. You know, if you're out of state or something like that, just be aware that, you know, it needs to happen relatively fast. You know, we can't be holding on to it for 6 months unless we arrange something specific, but part of the reason why we're doing this is to free up the space. So, please try to be available to pick it up quickly. All right, well, good luck, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.